If you're looking for delicious chicken burgers, we've got them. We'll show you how to infuse them with flavor, guaranteed to please a variety of cravings. So pick your favorite, teriyaki, barbecue, or herb. Let's start with the basic burger. To a pound of ground chicken, add 1 grated carrot, 2 minced green onions, 1 clove of crushed garlic, and then mix it with your hand until everything is combined. Make sure when handling raw chicken, you wash your hands before and after to prevent the spread of bacteria. Now, to zip things up a little, here are 3 flavor ideas. For a teriyaki burger, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of seasoned rice vinegar, enough grated fresh ginger for taste, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. For a barbecue burger, add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of light molasses, 2 teaspoons of hot pepper sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And for an herb-flavored burger, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh dill, a tablespoon of fresh basil or mint, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, salt, and a large pinch of cayenne pepper. Shape the mixture into 3.5-inch patties. The mixture will be very soft and moist, so rest them on wax paper. Cook the patties for about 12 minutes on a grill over medium heat until the juice runs clear when the center of the burger is pierced with the tip of your knife. Try serving them on warmed buns with cucumber slices, lettuce, and onions. Chicken burgers 3 ways.